Net worth is fundamentally a measure of our financial health and is our total assets minus our total liabilities. Assets are resources with an economic value which we own, while liabilities are what we owe to others. Some examples of assets include cash, stocks, bonds, and property. We will further discuss assets and more specifically investing in assets in the investing section of this course. On the other hand, liabilities include credit card debt, mortgages, motor vehicle loans, and student loans. A positive net worth where our assets are more than our liabilities is what we want, and the greater that positive net worth, the better. A negative net worth is where we owe more than we own, and this is not a good place to be. Let us consider this concept with a practical and very common example. Many people, due to varying circumstances, do not or are unable to prioritize savings and investment, and as such do not grow their assets. At the same time, because of our urge to spend and consume, we take on increased amounts of debt. An individual with $5,000 in savings and outstanding credit card and student loan balances totaling $15,000 would have a negative net worth of $10,000. Whereas someone with $15,000 in savings and $5,000 in outstanding debt would have a positive net worth of $10,000. The first person owes more than they own and will be carrying the burden of repaying that amount, possibly over a long period of time, further restricting them from building their net worth and financial health. The second individual owns more than they owe and can choose to pay off that debt whenever they want and does not have such a burden. This person has greater flexibility and opportunity to build their wealth over time, and that is the key. However, do not worry too much if you currently have a negative net worth or a low positive net worth. This is particularly normal in the earlier stages of life, and building your net worth will take time. The important thing is that you're always aware of your net worth and making financial decisions on an ongoing basis to increase your assets by saving and investing and reduce your liabilities by paying down debt.